Ready? And go. I'm Lillian Carey.
And I'm Claire Carey.
And this is 2 of 2 of Latin Waltz.
Yeah.
We didn't add a lot of things. We shined up a lot of things that we did last time, but we did review the outside turn and added 3 variations of hammerlock. We actually did 2, but we'll show all 3.
Yeah.
All right, so the outside turn, if we put a basic on top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down and up, outside turn. Then we added on to that, and we ended up with a crossbody lead instead of on my left side, on my right side, virtue of the handle. And here we go, and down and up, 4, 5, 6, I step forward and get out of the way, and she floats back out. Keep in mind that once we get hammerlocked, I still have to eat the first 3 beats,
Yeah.
and it'd be nice to get my right shoulder out of the way so she can easily pass. So I'm still stepping 1, 2, 3, and now I'm gonna back up. So I'm not pulling anywhere. I'm using my body to create the momentum. 4, 5, 6, and she just floats out.
Yeah.
Then we added a leads under, and it looked like this. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I duck under, 1, 2, 3, and outside turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, hammer long, and 1, 2, 3, I drop this hand, 4, 5, 6, I walk under,
Open
and
the
4, 5, 6, and back into that forward and back. Then we also showed but did not do,
You can keep going.
you can keep going. You can walk around in a Yale
Yeah, we
position.
can even do it with that.
And you can do it on this
I
side?
hope so.
Oh my.
We'll find out.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same ending. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and forward and back. And I would almost always do a cross-body lead.
Finish it with that crossbody.
Coming back out again. And that's it. Check out both of those videos. And by the way, Dancing Till Dusk is up and online, just so that you know that. Yeah. Do you think of anything else?
Did we grab another thing, or is that it?
Did we? I feel like that's all we did. Can anybody else think of anything else? I think everything else was stuff that
We
we already
did.
did.
Okay, it should be.
Yeah, it should be on there. So I think we're good to go.
Awesome.